What's going on, guys? jtmoffroad here. I've got a super exciting video for you today. We have to change door handle. This guy here doesn't work the best. Worked right there. But if you're in a hurry, you go to yank on it. Oh yeah. No good. So, it's been broken like this for quite a while now. One day when the truck was outside, it was super icy out, and I was cleaning the truck off. When I first opened up one of my doors, I was smart and hit like all around the frame of the door to break the ice free. But I was in a rush, leaving for work, and I came over to this side, ripped the door handle real quick, and then that piece goes the whole way around here. Broke. And you can just kind of like set it in there. Yeah. And you just kind of like put pressure so it doesn't move there. It opens fine. But anybody that comes over and uses this door, I tell them about it, they always forget. They rip it right off. So I'm done being lazy. I spent the $5 to get this. I'm finally gonna change it out. Not a very big process of changing that out. Like I said, this is gonna be super exciting. But if something needs to be done, I figured go ahead and shoot a video on it real quick. So let's go ahead and get the door ripped off, get that handle in, get going. So, made that face just because there's one nut on the bottom that a little rusty. Bolt looks pretty bad, so I have a good feeling that this nut's just going to completely break off. So, not too bad. Well, not the nut, the bolt. Bolt should break off. There's 3 bolts on the back of this, or studs, whatever you want to call them. So, if the one on the back of that breaks, that's fine because we got 3 new ones that'll be alright. So I don't have one of these style nuts that has like the integrated washer to it, but I have a little nut that I'm going to use, and then I'll use a lock washer with that also. Let's see if that breaks. Alrighty guys, like I said, super exciting video, very short, quick to the point. I've been needing to get that done for a while. It's been like a year and a half, 2 years, something like that, but it's done. That's out of the way. I think it took me more time to film this than it took to actually change that out. That could probably take like 5-10 minutes, but filming and everything. It took me like, I don't know, I wasn't timing, I was doing some other stuff. Half hour to an hour. I've got more exciting stuff coming on the way. This is, you know, I'm still doing some little maintenance stuff to the truck here and there. Make sure if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and give it a subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Tell me why you didn't like it, how I can improve. That'd be awesome. But I want you guys to stay engaged. I've been getting more comments, more likes here and there, which is great. That's the way I want it to go. So I want you guys to interact more with me. That'd be awesome. But yeah, I'd say that wraps it up for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.